Ona thutha wa gutiriha githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana, Kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC ni yukireire kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC ikiuga niyahitukirie ateti 106 kuhuranira iturwa cia ugavana, seneta na umbunge aria mathitangitwo na mahitia ma kuhuthira uru wabici cia muingi. Akiaria na andikia mohoro mwena wa Naivasha, munini wa muikariri giti wa EACC Sophia Lepuchirit augite aingi aria mathurirwo ni ambunge na magavana aria mari na cira wa kwaga wuigiririku.
But there are also people we did not clear, and we sent their names to IEBC. But as you know, all these commissions are independent. IEBC cleared them. And we are not going to mention names, but IEBC cleared them. And as you know, some of them, as we talk today, are very senior. They have been elected by their own respective counties and constituencies and everywhere. And they are serving the people who elected them. But we did our part. We said these people do not meet the threshold of integrity. But IEBC went ahead and cleared them.
Ona kuri oguo Lepuchirit ni ateterithitie ati kamiti iyo iraruta wira utuku na muthenya kuhurana na ugumania na uhuthiri muru wa mbeca cia kaunti. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.